line extending from Smith Point to 17 nautical miles west of Urbana Inlet to 16 nautical miles north of Coachman Bay, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be around 4:30 p.m. Northern Midlands around 4:35 p.m. Urbana Inlet and Watt Island around 5:10 p.m. Irvington, Lower Bernard Island, Mobjack Bay and Whitestone Bridge around 5:20 p.m. Queens Island around 5:30 p.m. Longs Creek Inlet, Windmill Point and Stingray Point and hold in the wall around 5:40 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Gloucester County in eastern Virginia, southeastern King and Queen County in east central Virginia. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds early to Northumberland County in eastern Virginia, hail, southeastern Richmond County in east central Virginia, central Virginia, northern Matthews County in eastern Virginia, southeastern King William County in east central Virginia, northwestern James City County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Essex County in east central Virginia, Lancaster County in eastern Virginia until 5:30 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located extending from Brownsville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Quarter-size hail. Sony in eastern Virginia, southeastern King and Queen County,
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Gloucester County in eastern Virginia, southeastern King and Queen County, Middlesex County, central Northumberland County, southeastern Richmond County, eastern New Kent County, northern Matthews County, southeastern Northumberland County. Until 5:30 p.m. Severe thunderstorms located miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Extending from Muriel Plymouth to Brownsville. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gloucester Courthouse, West Point, Kilmarnock, Urbana, Fairport, Norge, Rodley, King and Queen Courthouse, Deltaville, Tono, Lancaster, Whitestone, Saluda, Jamaica, Hartfield, Blake's, Moradico, Lycombe Church, Gwyn and Churchview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by
Ago.
Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield.
Central and southeast Montgomery. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Narrow, and Smith Point, Virginia. 10 years out in the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, tidal Potomac from Combe Island, Narrow, and Smith Point, Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles west of Smith Point, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Hail may damage your vessel.
heavy rain and short
Locations impacted include Yokosuka River, Ewell, Point Lookout, Tangier Sound, Smith Island, Deep Hole, mouth of the Potomac River, Fishing Bay, Bivalve, Nanticoke River mouth, Southwest Middle Grounds, and Deal Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
For the Washington metro area and the surrounding KHB listening area. Rest of this afternoon.
Miles south of Westmoreland State Park to 12 nautical miles south of Yokosuka River to 7 nautical miles southwest of Urbana Inlet, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Hooper Island Light, Smith Island, Crisfield, Deep Hole, mouth of the Potomac River, Nanticoke River mouth, Southwest Middle Grounds, Ewell, Point Lookout, Tangier Sound, Hongo River, St. George Island, Point No Point, Bivalve, the targets, Richland Point Buoy and Deal Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Central Warren County in northwestern Virginia until 10:30 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Creeks and streams will rise out of their banks due to excess runoff from the heavy rainfall. Some locations that will experience flooding include Front Royal, Chester Gap, Carl, Riverside, Glen Echo, Arco, Dilbeck. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Now for the issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 10:15 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 21 nautical miles northwest of Mason Neck State Park, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Leesylvania State Park, National Harbor, Quantico, Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Indian Head, Key Bridge, Occoquan Bay, Fort Hunt, Smallwood State Park, and Alexandria. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, central Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the city of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, northwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia, the northeastern city of Manassas in northern Virginia, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near South Riding, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, central Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the city of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, northwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia, the northeastern city of Manassas in northern Virginia,
as well as damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Centerville, Reston, Annandale, Springfield, South Riding, Herndon, Fairfield, Benjamin, Fort Belvoir, Phoenix Hills, Dulles International Airport, Burton, Mission Hall, Oakton, Chantilly.
Locations impacted include Centerville, Reston, Annandale, Springfield.
For your protection, put interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Mission Hall, Oakton. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast
for the Washington metro area and the surrounding KHB listening area.
Showers with thunderstorms
likely until midnight. Then showers with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight.
Thunderstorms may
I begin with
National Weather Service in Sterling.
Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, northwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, Arlington County in northern Virginia, Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, northwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland.
Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches
Safety
are possible
alert.
in the warned
Safety
area.
alert.
Virginia.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Centerville, Bethesda, Reston, Annandale, Clinton, Springfield, College Park, Fort Washington, Greenbelt, Fairfax, Langley Park, Fort Hunt, Vienna, Groveton, Forestville, Falls Church, Huntington, Largo. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Let's focus on it.
Down for the National Weather Service, Langley Park, Fort Hunt, Vienna, Groveton, Forestville, southwest winds 10
Forestville,
knots.
Falls Church,
Waves 1
Huntington,
foot.
Largo. Turn
Showers
around.
and
Don't drown
thunderstorms.
when encountering flooded roads.
Visibility 1 nautical mile or
Most
less.
flood deaths occur in
Friday,
vehicles.
west winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 foot. A chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Interrupt this program because of a local weather emergency. Important information will follow. We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area. A local weather emergency. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for the following areas: D.C., southeastern Montgomery County, northwestern Prince George's County, Arlington County, Fairfax County, Alexandria, Fairfax, and Falls Church. All of these areas are under a flash flood warning until 11:30 tonight. Doppler radar shows thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to start shortly. This is a life-threatening hazard, flash flooding, thunderstorms producing flash flooding. So remember the mantra, turn around, don't drown. We are under a flash flood warning until 11:30 tonight for D.C., parts of Montgomery and Prince George's counties in Maryland, Arlington County in Virginia, Fairfax County in Virginia, and the cities of Alexandria, Fairfax, and Falls Church. Flash flood warnings for all those areas until 11:30 tonight. Owner Dan Snyder is stepping away from day-to-day operations. Fairfax County in Virginia, and the cities of Alexandria, Fairfax, and Falls Church. Flash flood warnings for all those areas.